Hey, welcome to my video. If this video is browser features and suggested on your YouTube dashboard, thanks to my SEO skills, that's the reason my video are on your browser features and suggested on your YouTube dashboard. And you might be looking for 3D product animations, modeling, rendering, and video editings, highly realistic. So you can see I'm not gonna play this video because it might gonna face copyright issue on my YouTube channel. And you can see here $200 for 15 seconds realistic 3D product animations. It might gonna take 7 days. Some people can provide you 3 or 5 days, but it guarantees high quality, ultra realistic videos. And you can see I have portfolios and services I provided, branding, this entire business design, logo, brand, graphic design. Now I'm into 3D realistic product animations that we can provide you. I can provide you. There is 2 revisions and 3 revisions and 4 revisions, and there's 30 days maximum. That's 75 seconds, which is 1 minute 15 seconds. Larger videos for bigger explainers videos and high qualities and ultra realistics. That's for best for branded manufacturers, industrial manufacturers, and Shopify e-commerce stores. If you want custom offers, you can talk with me. Just contact with me over here and I will send you the custom offers. You can also go with this. It's a full HD options, including I can provide it for you 4Ks if you want. Okay, so this is also have some issues, extra fast deliveries. If you want more fast deliveries, you can pick those, and after continue the price will be done, and then you will see the requirements. You need to provide the requirements if you don't want to chat with me. You just want to make an order. The best about these gigs among all of mine is to after making the orders, you will go into the requirements, where if you fulfill all these things, I don't even need to chat with you. I will make the videos. And if you provide everything as I ask you on the requirements, what I ask you on the requirements, and if you provide exactly as it is, I will provide you the best, okay, and exactly that you ask for. But if you still have some doubt and consciousness issues, you can talk with me. Some people don't trust anything so easily, and that's the reason our 7 days delivery. That's I am providing 7 days delivery, 15 seconds 3D animations, video editings, 3D modeling, lightings. You can see there are more options we are giving you, and that's it. If you're interested, you can contact with me or just come here and click over there and you're done. So this is all about, and make sure you read all the information before you order the gigs. I'm always happy to help you, and always happy to provide quality services. If you want to know more, you can read information over here. There are many people who provide $150 or $120, but their mine is well more realistic and way more lengthy than others. Compare the price and everything, it's way more quality full. You can see other qualities. You can see the Rolex watch, and you can see also the quality, lightings, everything is so realistic. And you can see more information over here. I'm 5 years in Fiverr and 2 years outside the freelancing websites, total 8 years experience, no stop, no gaps. If you want to hire me full times, you need to contact over here, and then we will talk and we will move on. So that's the way we will work, and this is my gigs. I hope you will enjoy by making orders. Nowadays you can make high resolution 4K or 2K, 1K 3D animation videos like this. This video might gonna help you to make billboards, flares with high-end quality 3D DPI. 300 DPI is high quality printable. Like you saw the billboards, you can make an AI image like a billboards, and it might gonna scatter the pixels, look very ugly, but these videos are high-end. Okay, you can play over here and see that, and you can make others. Have a great day and stay safe.